How to use animated wallpaper in iOS 16. First of all, you need to go to your settings and scroll down until you see the wallpaper option. Click on the wallpaper option and then click on add new wallpaper, where you will find tons and tons of options of different kinds of wallpaper. So according to what you like, you can choose your wallpaper from all these wide variety. Currently we're going to go with weather and astronomy wallpaper since they are really good in animation. We will be choosing this one for now, and here you can see how the animation works. You can choose between planets, and we are going to set a wallpaper of Mercury. Click on add in the top right button, set as wallpaper pair, and the wallpaper will look something like this when you open your phone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Subscribe for more. Thank you.